How to properly use GGIVES in Shopee. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Today we're exploring how to use GGIVES in Shopee. GGIVES allows you to make purchases on Shopee and pay in installments. Let's get started. Launch the Shopee app on your mobile device. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Go to your cart and click checkout. In the payment options, select GGIVES. Choose the installment plan that suits you and fill in the required details. Review your order and confirm your purchase. You will now pay in installments according to the plan you selected. GGIVES makes it easier to manage your budget while shopping on Shopee. Use this feature to enjoy flexible payment options for your purchases. And that's it. So that's basically how you can properly use GGIVES in Shopee. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.